So today I am partnered with Rpgshow. So this is the third collaboration that I have with them, guys. Their hair, it's absolutely amazing. I recommend their hair to everyone. Their wigs, guys, they are so amazing. And guys, if you're a beginner, bona wigina, this is the wig for you. Nah, you guys, a wig for when. Then this is the hair that they sent me, guys. I've already worn the hair. I've already tried to take a video for this hair, guys. This is the reshoot, but you know what I'm saying. I just want installation, guys. It be perfect. So yeah, this is the hair that they sent me. Let me show you guys the lace. So this is how it is. They already bleached the knots. This is a 16-inch color brown, natural brown. I love it already. It's giving. It doesn't have so much hair, guys, like my errands, you know. So yeah, guys, this is the wig. So I am gonna start with adjusting the wig. And then install the wig. Yes guys, so this is how you put on your wig. The next step, guys, I'm gonna use my hair dryer just to close off this line, because I don't know, guys, so I use hot air. And then, guys, I'm gonna use my mousse. I'm using this one from L'Oreal. I got it from Discount, guys. It was 170. I always use this mousse. I love it, guys. I love this mousse. So just like that, guys. I love their wigs, like so transparent. You can definitely see, guys, their lace is so transparent. Even without the glue, guys, it's doing the most. It is sitting. Oh my god, guys, even without the glue. But I'm a glue girl. Like, I am a glue girl. I am a glue girl, guys. I believe in it win. I really do believe la glue. I believe good glue, but you can definitely see, guys, their lace is so transparent. I think in it glue, but I believe good glue. I strongly believe good glue. Strongly believe good glue. So hair dryer. This is the glue that I use, guys. I use it got to be spray freeze, so I'm gonna glue the hair down. Okay, and then guys, I'm gonna use this belt just to refasten, just like that, to lay down the wig. Even lay down the wig. Yes, girl. Guys, I'm gonna pat the wig. I want to be like line angel, guys. Okay. Guys, so I'm done with my makeup. I just did a simple look. Yeah, manje, I'm gonna remove this belt and show you guys the final look. It look like sifunayo, guys. And the same thing, kiyababa. I guess the body. Oh yes, guys, do you see this? Okay, let me just fix it. Guys, so this is how the hair is, guys. Just gonna do a quick fix. Just to loosen up and get mousse. Guys, get mousse. Ouch. Yes. Oh yes. Kumbuli cousin nam, guys. Oh yes. Oh yes. Guys, I love this hair, and as you guys can see, I didn't do anything to the lace. Like, it's so transparent. Yes, guys. So this is the final look. This is how the hair is looking like. So cute, so beautiful, guys. I love their hair, guys. Like, so much cuteness. I'm a girl. So much cuteness. I'm a girl.